Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an upgrader in Minecraft. First, gather your essential materials. You will need an enchanting table, which is crafted from obsidian, diamonds, and a book. Next, collect at least 15 bookshelves to maximize your enchantment levels. These bookshelves are crucial for unlocking the most powerful upgrades for your gear. Let's get started on building your very own enhancement station. To begin, you'll need to craft an enchanting table. This requires 4 blocks of obsidian, 2 diamonds, and 1 book. Obsidian is found where water meets lava, and diamonds are deep underground. For the bookshelves, you'll need a total of 90 wood planks and 45 books. Books are made from paper and leather, so prepare for some farming. Having all these items ready makes the building process smooth and quick. Now, let's set up your enchanting station. Place your enchanting table in the middle of a clear area. Then, arrange 15 bookshelves around it, leaving exactly 1 block of space between the table and the shelves. Ensure no other blocks are in this 1 block gap, as they will block the magical connection. This specific arrangement allows the enchanting table to draw power from the bookshelves, unlocking higher-level enchantments for your items. With your upgrader complete, you can now enhance your gear. Place the item you wish to enchant into the enchanting table slot, along with some lapis lazuli. 3 lapis lazuli are typically needed for the highest level enchantments. Choose from the available enchantments, which will vary based on your experience level. Remember, a powerful upgrader makes your adventures much easier. Also, for great deals, and to check out that Allah water bottle, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy enchanting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.